Alright, in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how you can use multi-window on Hot 60 Pro. First, open up the setting, then go to special function, and from here you wanted to tap on this split screen. Make sure to enable this. Now go back and launch your favorite application. Once you guys have launched the favorite application, you need to use a two-finger swipe just like that. Now it will show you all the compatible apps that you can open up on your second window. You can also see there is layout going on. For example, clock, compass. You cannot open them in your split screen, but you can open all the rest of the application that you are seeing here in split screen. For example, let's open up, let's say Gmail. There we go. You have opened up the Gmail as well. This is how you use the split screen on your Hot 60 Pro. Now to exit this out, it's very simple. Just tap on this middle button, swipe all the stuff like that. There we go. This is how you can use multi-screen on your Hot 60 Pro. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.